Okay, so today we'll do again. This is a pattern for German language. We'll do the verbs conjugation. Is it clear to you? दिख रहा है आपको आशिमा? So again we'll do the verbs conjugation and some sentence formation. So Ashima, we have a next verb which we call as lernen. Speak up. Lernen. So basically lernen is to learn. If you're learning something, okay? If you are learning something, so we have a verb lernen. Speak up. Yes, lernen. Okay? If it is a verb, right? Okay? So as a rule, what we आपको मेरी voice clear आ रही है आशिमा?
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
So as a rule, I have to remove en from the end.
Yes.
Is it clear to you? As a rule, I have to remove en from the end, right? So what I will do? Ish. Very good. Ich lerne. Is that clear to you? Then we have du lernst. Is that clear to you? Du lernst.
Yes.
Is that clear? If I'm saying er sie is what? Lernt. Sie is lernt. Then we have wir lernen. Wir. इसको लिखो आप प्लीज. आई एम जस्ट कमिंग. इसको लिखो आप प्लीज. पेन डाउन प्लीज. Okay, so we have wir lernen, ihr lernt, ihr lernt, and sie lernen. Is that clear to you?
Yes sir.
Right? Pen down please. So basically this is the verb which we are doing, the verb pattern. Okay, so that you will come to know at least the concept, right? Okay, the next verb we have is machen. So basically, machen is to do and to make. Is that clear, Ashima? So as a rule, what I have to do? I have to remove en from the end.
Yes.
Is that clear? So here we have ich mache is to I do and I make. Is that clear, Ashima?
Yes sir.
Okay. Du machst. Du machst. Because we have ending with st. Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Right? Er sie macht. Er sie macht. Okay. Wir machen. Is it clear to you? Right?
Yes sir.
And then we have ihr macht. Ihr macht and sie machen. Is that clear to you, Ashima? So you have to speak after me. See, these are the verb pattern because the verb play a vital role in order to give you a good level in German language. So you have a lernen. So if you want to say, I want to learn something. I want to learn something. For example, if you will say, I want to learn something. Simple. So we already have done this pattern because we have a two verb together. So second verb would be inserted at the end of the sentence. I want is what? Ich will. And something is what? It was. We already have done it was, Ashima.
Yes.
Ich will etwas zu lernen. Zu is basically your to. Right? So what I will say, ich will etwas zu lernen. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If you say, I want to make, very simple. I want to make. So what you will say? We have a verb is machen. Ich will machen.
Yes, sir.
Ich will machen. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Right? Pen down, please.
Okay, sir.
Have you pen down? You had up this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Okay, Ashima, let's go for the sentence making. Okay, and you have to tell me. Okay. For example, if I will say, I can do the work. I can do the work. Basically, let me tell you what to say work in German language. That is arbeitet. What to say work in German language. 1 second, let me see. I think my camera is not clear. I have to write something big. Okay. If you will say I can do the work. I can do the work. Is that clear to you? If you will say, for example, I can do the work. Okay. So basically, work you called as Arbeit. Work in German we called as Arbeit because this is a noun. One work we have a verb. एक जो work होता है. See, we have two type of work in English. One is your verb. एक तो आपकी क्रिया होती है. And one is your noun. Okay. So here we have basically the work. Here we have verb I can. Do is my verb. But the work we have Arbeit. Speak up. Arbeit. Work is, speak up, Arbeit.
Arbeit.
Yes.
Arbeit.
Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. So pen down please. Arbeit. Speak up.
Arbeit. Arbeit.
And I will let you know the we have basically articles a and the in German language. I will let you know.
Yes.
Basically we have the is d. D Arbeit we use. Okay. So how to make this sentence? If you're saying I can do this, I can do the work. Ich kann.
Ich kann.
Very good. Is that clear to you? Ich kann. Now we have a do is a verb and that will be insert at the end of the sentence.
And yes.
Right? Die Arbeit because the is die. Arbeit. Okay? Machen. Very good. Because machen is a verb which we have done. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so speak after me. Ich kann die Arbeit machen. Okay? If you will say, for example, I can go to the cinema. Pen down, please. I can go to the cinema. For example, you will say, may I have this?
Yes, sir.
If you will say, for example, I can go to the cinema. I can go to the cinema. So basically we have a verb. I can is a verb and go is a verb. So you will come to know now. I can is what? Ich kann.
Ich kann.
Now go is we already have done gain.
Gehen.
So go will be inserted at the end of the sentence gain.
Gehen.
Is that clear to you? Now we left with the cinema. To the cinema. To the we have to the. That is
To the.
eins.
Okay.
Okay? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So see basically we have a verb pattern like I can. Okay? So Kino is my cinema. So ins Kino. So what I will say? Ich kann ins Kino gehen. Simple. Ich kann is what? I can.
I can.
Ins is what? To the to the ends. Kino.
Yes.
Kino is my cinema and gehen is my verb to go. Is that clear to you? Ich kann ins Kino gehen. Speak up. Ich kann ins Kino gehen.
Kino gehen.
Is that clear to you? Pen down please.
Yes.
Pen down please.
सर मैंने राइट कर लिया.
Very good. Very good. For example, Ashima, if you will say, I can eat. Now, I can eat is what? Ich kann.
Yes.
Very good. So, now you came to know the German language pattern and now you can speak, I'm telling you reality. Now you can speak the language. Don't you think so? You can speak the language. Don't you think so, Ashima? You can speak at least little bit. For example, you go to Germany, for example. Okay? So don't you think so? You can at least tell them, I want to eat. Okay,
Yes.
if you will say, I want to eat. अब आपको भूख लगी, you are hungry over there. So can you tell them in German language, I want to eat? I want is what? Ich will
Ich will.
essen.
Ich will. Yes.
Is that clear to you? या फिर ich mocht, एक हमारी mock में भी एक verb होती है. Is that clear to you, Ashima? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So basically, see this is the basically the verb pattern. Just we have a verb. One is arbeiten. We have done arbeit is to work. Sorry, arbeit the verb. But we have verb one, arbeiten. Arbeiten का मतलब क्या होता है आशिमा? काम करना. Arbeiten is to work. Arbeiten. Speak up, Ashima, please. Speak 5 times because that's a new vocabulary for you. Speak up, please. Arbeiten. Speak up. Arbeiten. Speak up. Very good. So the moment I want to convert arbeiten, okay, into a I work, you work. So what will say? If I want to convert, so I have to remove en from the end. Is that clear to you, Ashima? Right? So what I will say? Ich arbeite. Very good. Ich arbeite. Okay. Du arbeitest. Du arbeitest. Is that clear to you, Ashima?
Yes, sir.
ARZ, tell me what? Arbeitet.
Yes.
ARZ, arbeitet. And we have a full verb. Wir arbeiten. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And ihr arbeitet. And sie arbeiten. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you, Ashima?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So basically, if you will say, for example, we have a verb, because you know what, I will give you a lot of verbs so that you will come to know how to basically make the sentence in German language, how to speak the German language. Okay. So pen down, please. Arbeiten, work. Okay. Pen down, please. Is it clear to you? May I adopt this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have a verb is to study. We have a verb.
Screen पर वीडियो पॉज को करा.
Okay. Is it pause? 1 second. Sorry. Is it clear now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. By mistake, maybe. I think the battery has gone. 1 second. Okay. Now it's fine. It's fine now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have a verb studieren. Studieren. So basically, studieren is a verb to study.
Is pronounce connected and as silent रहेगा.
नहीं, we have to speak. It is not silent. Studieren. Studieren is a verb to study. Okay. So if I will say I study, so what I will say, we have to remove en from the end, right? So what I will say, ich studiere. Is that clear to you, Ashima?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Du studierst. Ich studiere. Du studierst. Is that clear to you, Ashima?
Yes, sir.
ARZ. ARZ is what? Studied.
Sir, फिर हो गई. Pause हो गई.
Pause over here. 1 second. Let me see what is the problem over here.
Okay, okay.
So that's fine. अभी तो है इसमें. Okay. Pen down, please. So we have a verb is to study. Studieren. Right? So speak after me. Ich studiere. Du studierst. Er, sie studiert. Er, sie studiert. Is that clear to you? Wir.
Studieren.
Very good. Studieren. Is that clear to you, Ashima?
Yes.
Right? So now we have ihr. Ihr studiert.
Student.
Ihr studiert. And sie studieren. Full verb. So now you have to speak after me. Studieren is a verb to study. Okay. So we have ich studiere, du studierst, er sie studiert, wir studieren, ihr studiert, and sie studieren. Right? Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If you will say, okay, let's make the sentence. Let's go for sentence making. Pen down, please. Make the sentence, please. I want to study. I want to study German language. I want to study German language. Okay. I want to study. Okay. Now, if I will say, I want to study German language. Okay. I want to study. I want is what? Ich will. German language we called as a Deutsch. We already have done German language we called as Deutsch. So I will say ich will or या फिर ich mocht. We also use ich mocht. I will let you know.
Yes.
Ich will Deutsch lernen because lernen is to learn.
Yes.
Is that clear to you? Is it clear to you? If you will say, pen down please Ashima, I can speak German language. If you will say, I can speak German. Pen down please. If you will say, I can speak. Simple. I can. What is I can? Ich kann.
I come.
We have Deutsch. Because German language we call as Deutsch. So very good, very good. Sprechen. So sprechen is to speak basically. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Is that clear to you? So now you came to know the pattern, like what the pattern going on, right?
Yes.
Now speak after me. Hello. Speak up. Hello.
Hello.
Hello is hello. If you will say my name is Ashima, so what you will say? Mein Name ist. Mein Name ist.
Yes.
Or either you can say hallo, ich heiße. Or either you can say ich bin. So we already have done these patterns. For example, you will say, because there are a lot of versions, like how to say German language, how to say, my name. So there are a lot of ways. So if I say, mein Name ist Ankit, hallo, ich heiße Ankit, ich bin Ankit. Is that clear to you? Right? Clear, Ashima?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's take a test. Let's go for the quiz portion. Ashma, we have done sein verb. We have done sein verb.
December.
Sein is to be.
December.
We have done sein verb. Basically, sein is to be is used for ismr.
Yes.
So now you tell me. I will not tell you. You tell me what would be my I am. How to say I am? Ich.
Ich.
Tell me. Let's go for a revision. Ich bin. Is that clear? Ich bin. Do best. Right? Ich bin is to I am. Do best is to you are in terms of informal. Okay. Er sie ist. Is it clear to you? Er sie ist, ich bin, du bist, er, sie ist, okay, sie sind. Speak up. Sorry. Wir sind, wir sind, and ihr seid, and sie sind. Is that clear to you? So we are doing the revision pattern so that you will come to know entire things again and again. So what we'll say, ich bin is to I am, du bist is to you are, er, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, and sie sind. Is that clear to you, Ashima? Yeah? Is it clear to you? So we have a verb sprechen. Sprechen is basically your to speak. Okay? Sprechen we have done. Sprechen verb is to speak. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, for example, if I will say, I want to eat, pen down please. I want to eat breakfast. I want to eat breakfast. Pen down please. We only have done I want to eat. Okay? So
It is a Frühstück.
very good, very good. Because we have a verb to eat breakfast. To eat breakfast, we have a verb, right? To eat breakfast, we have a verb which is frühstücken. Is that clear to you? So if I will say I want to eat breakfast, I want is what? Ich will, and we have frühstücken. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Is that clear to you? Now, for example, Ashima, you will say, I want to go to the school. I want to go to the school. For example, you will say, I want to go to the school, because we are doing the sentence formation. Okay? I want is what? Ich will or ich mocht. Okay? Okay, to the school. In the, I want to go to the school, I'm saying. I want to go to the school. Okay? So basically, I want to go. Okay, let me pen down first. I want to go to the school. I want to go to the school. Basically, that school we call a Schule. Speak up, Ashima. Speak up, Schule. Speak up. Speak up, please. Okay. And I want is what? Ich will. Is it clear, Ashima? Ich will. Now we have to go is a verb which will be inserted at the end of the sentence. I want to go to the school. In the we have die Schule gehen. Is that clear to you, Ashima?
Yes.
So if I'm saying I want to go to the school, so that is, see, this is normal sentence making which we are doing, right? So that you will come to know. If you will say I want to go to the restaurant, for example. I want to go to the restaurant. Pen down, please. So if you will say, Ashima, I want to go to the restaurant. I want is what? Ich mocht or ich will?
Ich mochte.
Okay. I want. Okay. To the. I want to go to the. Go is a verb basically. You know that is to gain. Go is a verb which will be inside because we have two verbs. Ich will, I want, and gain. Right? Ich will. Okay. Ins to the restaurant. Ins restaurant. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? So what will say, Ashima? I want to go to the restaurant. Ich will ins restaurant gehen. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Pen down, please. If you will say, I want to see the garden. I want to see the garden. Now very simple. I want to see the garden. I want to see the garden. You can say ich mocht. We can use over here or ich will. Ich mocht. I will let you know the article portion where because we have 3-4 types of the in German language, so I will let you know the article portion. Okay, ich mocht. Okay, the garden because see is a verb. See is a verb to sehen. See is my verb that is to sehen. See is my verb to sehen